to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna prepare for you some easy pork chops and shrimp and spinach dish. So keep watching. All I added to the pork chops is this seasoning here, the Creole Seasoning, black pepper, and that's it. And I will show you what the pork chops look like after I finish, okay? Easy pork chops. Place these in the oven at 350 degrees for 55 minutes. While the pork chops are baking in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and make some sauteed shrimp. Now these are, I bought these from Walmart. They already peeled the vein and tail on. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook these shrimp while I'm waiting on the pork chops to get ready. I added a teaspoon of this seasoning to the shrimp and let them marinate for like 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna place them in the skillet. Okay, I'm gonna add a little black pepper to the shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over. I've only been cooking for about 5 minutes. And I have the stove on 350. Oh, they look delicious and it smells fantastic in this kitchen. Okay. The shrimp is ready. I'm gonna take those out of the skillet and I'm gonna add some spinach to the pan. I'm just cooking the spinach in the same pan I cooked the shrimp. And I'm gonna add a little vinegar. It's got a tablespoon of vinegar. Half a teaspoon of sea salt. Okay, I'm going to use 1 ounce of cream cheese. Okay. And I didn't add any oil to the pan. I just used the pan after I cooked the shrimp and just added the spinach in the pan. Yummy. Ooh, really yummy. Okay, I just took the pork chops out of the oven. This is what they look like. And the shrimp and spinach was really delicious. Half of it is gone. I ate half of it. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.